LaTeX for Students, a simple quick guide. Welcome to Eloquence Hub. Today, we're delving into the world of professional writing with LaTeX and discovering how Overleaf makes the entire process effortless. What is LaTeX? LaTeX, pronounced LaTeX, is a typesetting system widely used for the production of scientific and mathematical documents. Unlike traditional word processors, LaTeX operates on a markup language, allowing users to focus on content creation while the system handles formatting. LaTeX is known for its precision, making it the preferred tool for academic papers, reports, and publications. LaTeX installation. Now, before we dive into creating documents, let's make sure you have LaTeX installed on your system. MacTex. MacTex is a free and open-source distribution of the LaTeX typesetting system for Microsoft Windows and for Mac and certain Linux distributions such as Ubuntu, Debian, and Fedora. TeXmaker. TeXmaker is a free cross-platform LaTeX editor that provides an integrated development environment IDE for working with the LaTeX typesetting system. Visit the respective websites to download the installer. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. The process may take some time, as it includes various packages and fonts. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to start crafting professional documents with LaTeX. Now let's start by setting up a basic document. Let's explore the basic structure of LaTeX document. Every LaTeX document begins with a document class declaration. This sets the overall layout and formatting for your document. Common document classes include article, report, and book. The preamble is where you define additional settings for your document. This includes packages, which add functionality, and custom commands. Think of it as setting the stage for the main content. Here you can add a title and author to your document. LaTeX automatically formats this information based on your document class and settings. The main content of your document goes between the begin and end document commands. This is where you write your text, insert images, create tables, and more. Organize your document with sections and subsections. LaTeX will handle numberings and formatting, ensuring a professional look. Similarly, use list, figure, and table tags. Now, we're delving into the world of professional writing with LaTeX and discovering how Overleaf, an online platform for collaborative writing, editing, and publishing of LaTeX documents, makes the entire process effortless. Let's take a look at the high-level features of Overleaf. Let's explore the Overleaf interface. Open overleaf.com, enter the login details, click on the new project, and select the blank project from the available options. Enter the project name, your project has been created. Now you can begin editing in your online Overleaf code editor. Now, press Ctrl+S or click on the Recompile button to compile and view the PDF copy. Let's add section and subsection details. The visual editor aids in formatting content and creating editing tables. Let's take a closer look at it. Overleaf allows multiple users to collaborate on a LaTeX document in real time. This is especially useful for teams or groups working on a research paper or a project where multiple authors need to contribute simultaneously. Just enter the team member email address and click on Share button. Overleaf provides a wide range of templates for various types of documents, such as articles, presentations, posters, and more. This can save users time and effort in setting up the initial structure of their documents. Let's create a project using the available templates. Bibliography management in LaTeX is commonly done using MiKTeX or BibLaTeX. Here's a basic guide on how to manage your bibliography in LaTeX using MiKTeX. Start by creating a separate MiKTeX file, e.g. references.bib, where you will store your bibliography entries. To cite a reference in your document, use the NCite tag. If you need to reference a table or figure within your document, use the nonlabel command to assign it a label. The label will assign a unique number to the table or figure, and when combined with the nrf command, it enables you to refer to it elsewhere in your document. www.latextables.com. This editor is a free tool to let you build high-quality tables easily. It also provides you a user interface that is easy to use, intuitive, and really powerful. You can even load your LaTeX tables or import data from spreadsheets. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.